Today, we have decided that only homeboy that we know that will be governor of Edo State. You already know that Edo no be Lagos. That one no be homeboy. Somebody that comes here and bring interpreter, is it an homeboy? No. So if that one is minus, that means we will look for another homeboy.
I make bold to say here today, in Edo State PDP, all is not well. Until I see concrete steps taken by the PDP government in Edo State to address all those issues that were raised in the course of our campaigns, the promises we made to Edo people, until I see concrete steps in government part to fulfill them, I will not be able to face anybody to say vote PDP at the next election. You see, if they can treat you the way they treated you, you can imagine what it will be if we have to allow them to continue. I can see pains in the faces of our people. I can see anger in the faces of our members. And I cannot pretend to say all is well. And I've come out clearly to decline to serve in the Edo State PDP Governorship Campaign Council. My decision is rested on how I feel the members of PDP were badly treated after the re-election of Godwin Obaseki.
That in 2020, when we were all supporting our governor, Governor Obaseki, for second tenure, you remember? Yes. So he told us, he taught us and told us that Edo not be Lagos. You remember? Yes. We were singing Edo not be Lagos. Edo not be Lagos. This morning, I saw on social media some people posted and reminded us that the governor told us that Edo not be Lagos. Unfortunately today, 4 years down the line, the governor went to the same Lagos to go and bring candidates to come and succeed. Are we going to go to Lagos? No. We must stand by it. Edo not be Lagos. If I say Edo not be Lagos.
All the atrocities that have been done, unless the PDP decides to do the right thing, we are giving them just few days. It's a matter of few days. This is a yellow card. And if the PDP refuses to do the right thing for the interest of the generality of PDP, they will hear from us in a short while.